If you're looking to add an email sign-up form to your website fast and without messing around with confusing code or clunky plugins, this is the video you've been searching for. I've tested all the most popular tools for this, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step using the software I recommend with a free trial that's only available to viewers of my channel. So if you want your form live by the end of this video, stick with me. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open the software we'll be using. If you haven't got it yet, the link to the exclusive free trial is in the description. It's totally free to test and perfect for anyone just starting out. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option that says Forms or Create New Form. Click that, then choose a form type. Go with a simple inline email sign-up form for now. This keeps it clean and fits nicely on most web pages. Next, give your form a name. This is just for internal use, so you can keep track. Now design your form. Keep it minimal. Ask for their first name and email address. That's usually all you need for best conversions. Then customize the look to match your website. Most of these tools let you tweak fonts, colors, and spacing. If you're not sure what looks best, go with a clean white background and dark text. It works on almost any site. After that, go to the Settings or Actions section. Set it so that once someone signs up, they get a thank you message or are redirected to a thank you page on your site. This confirms it worked and lets you deliver any promised lead magnet or bonus. Now for the most important step, connecting your form to your email list. Under Integrations or Email Provider, select the platform you're using, whether it's MailChimp, ConvertKit, or another. If you haven't connected one yet, you'll need to paste in an API key or authorize the connection. Super simple, and the software will guide you through it. Once that's set, hit Save and Publish. You'll now see a small embed code. Copy it. Then go to your website editor. Whether you're using WordPress, Squarespace, or something else, find the section of the page where you want the form to show up. Paste the embed code into an HTML block. Save and publish the page. That's it. Your email sign-up form is now live on your website. Let's do a quick recap. You created a form, designed it, connected it to your email list, and embedded it into your website, all in just a few minutes. That's how easy it is to add an email sign-up form to your website using the software we've been working with. The key takeaway? You don't need to hire a developer or waste hours fiddling with code. With the right tool, adding an email sign-up form to your website can be done in less time than it takes to drink your coffee. If you want to follow along with the exact software I used, remember, there's an exclusive free trial linked in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, and it'll help you get started quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. Go get that form live.